Hello friends, my name is Vishwanath Tiwari, Assistant Professor, Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department, SIRT College, Bhopal. Today I want to discuss the construction of three-phase induction motor. In this lecture, I have covered what is the three-phase induction motor. A three-phase induction motor is a type of electrical motor that is widely used in industrial and commercial application due to its robustness, simplicity, efficiency, and reliability. It is operates on the principle of electromagnetic induction and is powered by the three-phase alternating current called AC supply. The basic principle of operation is based on the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. The construction of three-phase induction motors having two types mainly, stator and rotor. What is stator? Stator is the stationary part of the motor consisting of core made of laminated materials, steel materials, and three-phase winding placed in a slots. When a three-phase AC is given to the stator winding, it produces a rotating magnetic field. A stator construction of stator. The stator is a stationary part of motor, consists of core made of laminated steel and three-phase winding placed in a slots. When a three-phase AC supply is given to the stator windings, it produces a rotating magnetic field. In this figure, you have to see this is the stator. It is the outer part of the motor called stator. That is called as yoke, and this is pointing arrow is called the stator's slot of stators, and this is the stator windings. This is the terminal box. This is provide a mechanical support for motor. Then rotor. The rotor is a rotating part of the motor which provides it's a typically mode of laminated iron core. The rotor does not receive any direct electrical power. The rotor of induction motor is a hollow cylindrical laminated core having slots on its outer periphery. The rotor winding are placed in these rotor slots. The rotors is also called a rotating part of the motor, which is coupled with other outer part of the motor and through shaft. Rotor is mounted on the shaft. The electrical power is converted to the mechanical power, which is transferred through the shafts. The rotor is all having two types. There are two types of rotor, squirrel cage type rotors and bound type of rotors. Depending upon the winding arrangement, the rotor of three-phase induction motor two types, squirrel cage type rotors and bound type rotors. In this figure, you have to see this is called a squirrel cage type of rotor and this is called bound type of rotors. Squirrel cage type of rotors having scaving slots, which is used to provide a strong magnetic field and less noise. These figures we have to see. This is called end rings, and rotor bars, and this is a scaving slots. In bound type of rotors, this is the shaft. This is called a carbon process, rotor windings, and slip rings. That is called slip rings, and this is called a scaving slots. Advantage of squirrel cage type of rotors and bound type of rotors. Advantage of squirrel type rotors. Number one, the scaving of squirrel cage construction offer following advantage. The noise is reduced during operation. More uniform torque is produced. The cogging or magnetic locking tendency of the rotor is reduced. During cogging, the rotor and stator teeth lock with each other due to magnetic action. The advantage of a bound rotor to increase the starting torque and reduce the starting current from the supply to control the speed of the rotor. All these abouts of the construction of three-phase induction motor and different type of rotors which is used in the three-phase induction motor. Thank you for watching.